So first you need to install it. So once you get it from my Coffee page as a separate title effect, you need to double click the DRFX file and confirm the installation with the install button. In my case it's override, but in your that will be install. If you got my bundle pack, this title animation is also included. Okay, so once installed, go to Effects, Titles, Custom Memories, and this is title 13. Let me drag it to timeline. I will switch my playback to half, so it's smoother. This is how it looks by default. And now let's go quickly through the options you got in the inspector. So once you click the title and the timeline, go to the inspector, and in here you got the options you can modify. So of course you can change the text, font, color, size tracking, and line spacing. You can change the center of the text. Let me go to with the playhead to in the middle so that you see the text revealed already. So we can change the center. You can change the circle center. The circle is this effect at the beginning when the title is revealing. So you can actually change where the circle should be located. Let's leave it as default for a moment. You can change the glow size of this effect. You can change the circle glow and overall blend of the circle glow. But I will leave it as default. And of course you can change the color so it differs from your text. So we got blue effect, revealing effect, and white text. Of course you can change the text to something else. And this is pretty much it. So if you got, let's say, the shorted text like that, let's increase the tracking. So right now you probably need to modify the circle center. So I will grab it to the left so it's right above the text, because if not, the effect will not look correctly. So yeah, right now it's better. It's somewhere in the center of the text if you wish. Of course, you can use it also as a lower third. So let's try to do it. Let's call it lower third. Let's change the font size, maybe light italic, and size to something like this. You can change its location by switching to Settings tab and use the position. I think it's simpler. And you can also change the position of the text using Center. But I think it's easier to go to Settings tab and do it like that. And yeah, we need to also modify the position of our circle. So let me go to the right, maybe somewhere around here. Let's increase glow. And if you want to have more control over the edges, so it's not cut like that, or you don't want this circle to be affecting that much of the frame, you can go to Settings, and in the cropping menu, you can do that by increasing the crop top and crop bottom, like so, or even crop right. Okay, something like this, and increase the softness. And this is your lower third if you want to use it that way. That will be title animation number 13 of my bundle pack. I strongly recommend you to check out other animations. If you like any of those, you can get it from my Coffee page as a separate titles, or you can get a bundle pack that I'm constantly updating, and you will also have a lifetime updates. Let me know in a comment which one of this title animation is your favorite, or which one would you like to know how to create in Fusion if you want to learn Fusion. Cheers and see you in the next one.